guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. This video is our little haul from Aldi in addition to the meal plan for the week. So first thing are some party items. We're having this little event for the shelter nearby for girls, giving them a nice spa day. Part of that is I'll be making some treat bags that will stay with them after we leave. And in those bags will be some nail items in addition to some snack-sized chips, the chewy dipped chocolate chip granola bars, and some fruit snacks. And then part of the pizza party will be having some chips and some punch as well. Decided to try this Piccata family style eggplant parmesan. Looks good and not so good for you. Also, I've never tried this pizza. It's a bistro style flatbread and it's a specially selected brand. Their line of stuff. I think it's pretty similar to the private selection line that they have at Kroger. So those items are pretty good, but thought I'd give this a try. It's French recipe with creme fraiche. Oh, sounds good. With sauteed onions and bacon. Oh my gosh, gonna have that for dinner. I've been really into baby leaf spinach lately, so I bought a couple of bags of that, a couple of containers of the mushrooms, a few crowns of broccoli, some jerky. This is the Bold Hickory and the Aloha Teriyaki. For meat this week, I got the ground fresh turkey and some Never Any chicken breasts, Cara oranges, of course, the dozen of eggs, and decided to give this a try. It's their chocolate ice cream, again, specially selected. I've really been liking their almond milk in my coffee, and I don't really even need to add sweetener. This time is a little bit different because this one is vanilla flavored. Some unsweetened applesauce, oh so delicious. And I'm also going to be bringing these water bottles to the event. These are the junior size. And then also we bought the La Vie sparkling water in the grapefruit flavor. Alright, so meal plan for this week. Tonight we'll be having the French recipe pizza with the creme fraiche and bacon. Oh my gosh, that sounds really good right now. Alongside that we'll be having just a simple spinach salad. Probably we'll have like a Vidalia onion dressing on that. Tuesday we'll continue to have the salad, but instead of the pizza we'll be having this hash of the ground turkey with mushrooms and onions, maybe a little bit of potato in there, we'll see. Wednesday, I'll be taking those chicken breasts and almond crusting them. I've done that so many times in the past. I'm sure people are sick of seeing it, but we love it around this household. And I use the almond flour that you can get in Kroger. It's the Simple Truth brand. It works really well. It doesn't burn as fast as coconut flour would. I'll be having the purple potatoes next to that, in addition to some steamed broccoli. Sorry, my handwriting is a little messy there. Thursday, Friday, I have some leftover turkey from Easter that it could just be thrown in some soup. So we'll be making some broccoli turkey soup. I'll throw in some carrots, some leftover bell peppers I have in the fridge, and the broccoli with a chicken broth from Aldi. In addition to that, I have bags of sweet kale salad from Costco. It is so good, you guys. That's probably my favorite, or one of my favorite items from Costco. I'm not a Costco member, but I have a friend who takes me there occasionally. Well, not occasionally. This was my second trip ever. So, oh my gosh, this is so good. It has like this sweet dressing, like a poppy seed dressing, and then sunflower seeds and dried cranberries. Really, really good. I know I could probably make that on my own, but it's just so much easier to have it in a bag. But anyway, so Saturday, Sunday, we'll be having the Piccata eggplant parmesan for Saturday, and then some kind of vegetable with that. I'm not exactly sure if it's going to be maybe some steamed broccoli, probably, or a spinach salad, but some kind of vegetable with that. And then Sunday is when the event is for the shelter. We'll just be ordering some $5 pizzas, and then we'll be having some chips and some punch and having some fun, doing some nails and being super girly, sugar scrubs, all that good stuff. So that is it for this week's meal plan and grocery haul from Aldi. Let me know, guys, what goodies you've been finding. I've been curious to try different frozen items at Aldi, so if you like some in particular, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care.